Are you new to the fascinating world of gardening and unsure about the essential tools you need to start? Well, you are in the right place. Our mission today is to guide you through the must-have tools for your green thumb journey. So, let's delve into the world of gardening tools. To make your gardening experience enjoyable and less strenuous, here are some essential tools you will need. Firstly, a hand trowel, your trusty sidekick for planting and transplanting. It's perfect for digging small holes and scooping soil. Next, we have pruners, an invaluable tool for keeping your plants in check by trimming and shaping. Moving on, a garden fork is a must-have. It's your go-to for turning soil and breaking up clumps. And when it comes to watering your plants, a watering can is your best friend. It offers controlled watering, making sure your plants get just the right amount. Now, let's not forget the garden hoe. It's ideal for cultivating the soil around plants and chopping up any pesky weeds. And to protect your hands from dirt and potential injury, garden gloves are essential. Last but not least, a wheelbarrow will make moving soil, compost, or heavy plants a breeze. Remember, gardening is not just about having the right tools, but also about the joy and satisfaction that comes from nurturing life with your own two hands. With these tools, you are well equipped to start your gardening journey. Now that you know about the essential tools needed for gardening, it's time to put on your gloves and get started. Remember, having the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening journey. It can turn a daunting task into an enjoyable hobby. So, don't wait. With this newfound knowledge, start your gardening journey today and watch your garden flourish. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!